guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a fall glam makeup look because fall is here finally. I am so happy. It is time to break out the sweaters. It is time to start wearing the cute boots and the leggings and the jeans and just, you know, the full fall vibes, and of course the dramatic makeup looks. Now you guys know I do not do makeup a lot, and it's been a hot minute since I have done a makeup look on here. So I thought that this was the perfect time because fall is here and that's whenever people like to do a lot of dramatic makeup looks. So I was like, you know what, let's just do it. So if you're interested to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching, and without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so to start off, we're going to take care of this hair. Where did I put my little thing for my hair? I found it. So I'm just gonna out of the way. So first things first, we're going to just spot conceal with my Camouflage. Just going to blend this out with my beauty blender. I wanted to apologize for not having a video up last week. I kind of took the week off just to take care of like my mental health. Like, we all need a break every once in a while. I completely forgot to put on primer. Okay, well, okay, so I want to do a little bit more spot concealing, but I'm going to add a little bit of primer. This one is from Ulta, and it's one of my favorites. I know I kind of did this a little backwards, but I mean, oh well. I'm just going to add a little bit just to help. Okay, now I can continue to spot conceal. Okay, so now I'm just going to use this Stay Matte, what is this, like setting powder. Okay, so I know I look like a ghost, but that is where I'm going to be using my Lumi bronzer. Oh my goodness, I love this stuff so much. Why aren't you opening? Here we go. It's just a nice bronze color. Being that this is a fall glam look, I'm gonna go a little bit crazy with the bronzer. Okay, let's see. What do I want to do next? Oh, actually, you know what? I will do my highlighter. You know I gotta use my highlighter. But I'm going to use this Fit Me blush from Maybelline. And it's just this nice, pretty pink color. And I'm just gonna kind of put like tons of blush on kind of like my cheekbone area. This doesn't look too bad, huh? Like I said, I'm not really a makeup guru. I'm just having fun with this, and I might look like a clown afterwards, but you know what? That's okay. We're just gonna roll with it. I'm just gonna get my bronzer, and we're just gonna bronze this up a little bit, kind of help blend it all together. Is that bad? I don't think it looks that bad. Okay then. Now we're gonna go in with the highlighter. Oh my goodness, you guys. I say this every single time that I do a makeup look. I am in love with this highlighter. I mean, just watch. I mean, look at that glow. I love this so much. It just gives you that nice natural glow. And I am just in love with this. Oh, a little bit of glow down there. Cupid bow. Not that that really did anything. Favorite part is putting it on my nose. Oh my goodness, I love putting it on my nose. It is just the icing on the cake. Now I'm gonna take the bronzer brush and just kind of run over everything, make it nice and blended. Well, chair's kind of spinning around on me. So this is the base. I really love it. Tell you what, I'll do my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna fill them in with some eyeshadow from e.l.f. and I like to use this shade right there. If you can, it just matches my brows perfectly. Okay, does that look even enough? We'll roll with it. Benefit eyebrow gel stuff. I am just going to put the eyebrow gel, just kind of make everything stay. All right, but I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow palette and it has these beautiful shades. I've used this before and we're just gonna have fun with it. I'm gonna start off with this lightest beige brown shade and I'm just going to kind of put that everywhere. Just gonna slap that on. I'm gonna use the same brush and I'm gonna dip into this darker brown right here because I used this one first, so I'm gonna be dipping into this darker brown and I'm gonna do the same thing. All right, and once that is kind of slapped on there, I'm just gonna add it to my bottom. Now I'm gonna take a little bit smaller, more dense brush and I'm going to dip into this darkest brown right here. And I'm going to just try to focus this on my outer corner area to create like that smoky look. Ooh, yeah, okay. This looks really pretty. Then underneath as well. Now is the shimmer time. I don't know which shimmer I want to go with. Tell you what, we'll start off with this shimmer. I'm gonna use my finger. Ooh, okay. So now I'm going to take this lightest shimmer color right here. So we just used this one. I'm gonna take this lightest color and I'm gonna use my pinky. And this, I'm going to focus right on the inner corner right there. Okay, I'm gonna focus that underneath as well. So now I'm gonna be going back into my e.l.f. palette and I'm gonna be using this I'm gonna be using the lightest color. It's actually a matte color and I'm gonna be using another brush and this is what I'm gonna use to put it in my inner corner, just to help brighten that up. And then I'm gonna also use it to chisel out my brow. And then I'm going to take another brush and I'm gonna dip into the shimmer color right here, the lightest shimmer color of the e.l.f. palette. And I'm going to coat that in my inner tear dot. Love a bright inner tear dot moment. Whew, I'm starting to get like a little hot. Just gonna use my bronzer brush, just dust everything. I was gonna do a wing. I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think I might just put on some mascara. This one is from CoverGirl. My sister actually got it for me and I love it so much. But before that, I'm going to curl my lashes. I had another eyelash curler that I lost. I don't know where I lost it though, and it was my favorite one. This one's just an old one that I always use. And being that this is a dramatic look, I'm gonna also put it on the top, kind of brush it like downward and then go upward. It just kind of helps get mascara everywhere and then makes your eyelashes look a lot longer. So these are the eyes. So now the lips. I am like really excited for this. So I'm gonna be lining them with my Milani lip liner and then I'm gonna be putting the top coat on with my Unfathomable matte liquid lipstick from L'Oreal. Okay, so I mean, you could leave it like this, but like I said, I'm going to top it all off with this matte liquid lipstick. I love how this came out, y'all. Okay, I think that this is pretty much it for like the makeup look, so. All right, so let's take it down my hair back up so you guys can see it a little bit better. And there we go. This is my fall glam makeup look. I really hope that you guys like it. If you have like any pointers, please leave a comment down below. I am not a makeup guru, but I mean, I had a lot of fun doing this. It's been a while since I've done makeup, so I'm just like, it's definitely a little different. Alright, but thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that y'all enjoyed it, that y'all have a fantastic fall. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that y'all are safe and well, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye!